Greetings of the day, my dear children. In today's English class, we'll start chapter number 21, Essay Writing, from your English Grammar Book 5, page number 120 to 122. In today's class, we will learn what an essay is and what are the key elements of an essay. So, essay is a short composition wherein we can express our feelings on a subject or describe an experience. Now, what is the structure of an essay? It's very important to understand how to formulate an essay. We start with an introduction. Introduction presents the subject on which we are writing briefly in a few sentences. Introduction has to be brief, always precise. Then the paragraph. Paragraph gives more detailed information on the subject. A good essay can have 3 to 4 paragraphs, right? Then we have evidence. Now, whatever we have written in these paragraphs, you can, with evidences, examples, and other things, take it even more, elaborate it further. Then comes the conclusion, that is the end of your essay. So, end has to be very, very, logical. You have to express your own views. In the end, you can write, in my opinion, whatever you feel about the whole thing, whatever you have written, in the end, you will conclude it with your own ideas, your own views. So, this is the structure of an essay. Now, what are the important things that you need to keep in your mind while writing an essay? So, before you decide to write an essay, you have to decide what kind of essay you want to write. That means, do you want to write a narrative essay where you have to, maybe tell a story or impart some information? Or are you writing a persuasive essay where you have to convince the reader about something? Or are you writing an essay where you have to explain something, like maybe how to make butter chicken, for example? Or are you writing a descriptive essay where you have to focus on the details, like of what is going on, like maybe about a trip, where you have to give details? Or are you writing an argumentative essay where you have to take a position on an issue? You have to write in favor of something or against something? Or are you comparing or contrasting, where you have to identify the similarities or differences, right? Or are you writing about problem solving essay? Are you providing a solution to some problem? Maybe you're writing about pollution, for instance. You have to convince the reader about the problem and then also propose a solution. Or maybe you're writing an informative essay where you have to educate a reader about a particular topic. So it's very important to decide what kind of essay you have to write. Then brainstorm your topic. This is very, very important. Brainstorming means you will write down everything that comes to your mind about the topic. And then when you actually start writing, you can narrow it down or maybe add more. So brainstorming is a great way to develop a topic more deeply, to recognize connection. Then comes the research. Research is again very, very important. We cannot know everything about a topic, so it's always better to research a bit. You can go to the library or you can search the internet to write a good essay. Then you have to choose a writing style. Again, this is extremely important because this is where your essay will be different from somebody else's. You can your opening of your essay can be, needless to say, many people claim, it's often said, you can start like that, and then in the introduction you can say firstly or to start with, and then you can go on with your topic. Then you can present an idea, when it comes to, according to experts, as a result, on account of words like these. Or if you're comparing, you can say although, even though, however, nevertheless, despite, words like these. Then when you conclude your essay, you can write to sum it up all, taking everything in consideration, on the whole, words like these. Then in the end, you can say, in my opinion, from my point of view, as far as I'm concerned, and conclude your essay. So choose a very good writing style and be very wise in using the words. Then comes the outline of your essay. Draw a proper plan on a paper and don't jumble too many ideas in one paragraph. So if you're writing many paragraphs, maybe 3 or 4, decide properly which paragraph will have which information about the topic. Then finally, write your essay. Once you're done with the outline, it's time to start writing the essay. Revise for clarity, check the structure, and in the end, edit your writing. Check the spellings, grammar, punctuation, how to use quotes and other things, and that's how you'll be done. So good planning always pays off. So if you plan properly how you will write the essay, you will write definitely a very good essay. So I'm sure you understood all these points, and you will consider all these points while writing an essay. Now you'll refer to the PDF, check the template there, and listen to the video a couple of times, and then start formulating a good essay using this information, and you'll go stepwise. Inshallah, you'll write a very good essay, and we'll write some essays in the class also. Thank you. Have a good day.